everyone, welcome back. I'm so excited to finally be sharing with you guys my baby girl's long-awaited nursery tour. I know you guys have been wanting to see the nursery since we moved in our new home, but I've took my time in it because I wanted it to be perfect for her. Her room is a princess theme and I'll be changing things around as she gets older, so for now this is a setup. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you part of the family, and make sure you turn on the notification bell as well so you can be notified when I upload my next video. When designing my baby girl's nursery, I wanted it to be full of pink and girly things because I have always wanted to be a mother, so I just wanted to go all out with her. There's a couple of new things I'll be adding, but I just wanted to go ahead and share with you guys what I've been working on. I had my baby this same week we were moving into our home, so that's why I've been taking my time with it as well. This room is very special to me because this is our first baby and she is the light of our lives. I hope you enjoyed today's video seeing what we have done with her room. I'm letting you guys into our life in hopes to inspire you for your baby's room. We chose to go with this tufted headboard crib and my parents gifted it for the baby. It's from Toys R Us. I love the way it looks and the color. It looks like a Pottery Barn or Restoration Hardware crib dupe. We bought that transitioning bed frame for the crib so it grows with her as she gets older. We also went ahead and got it so it wouldn't be discontinued later on. That's something I recommend you doing for your crib if it doesn't already come with the transition piece. I love reading to her on this heart-shaped rug and it's by Lorena Canals. It's really convenient. It comes with like an insert pillow right there on the heart and then you can just insert it in the washer when you need to clean it. Here I added the princess pillow for decoration along with her bunny from Build-A-Bear. We took her to get this for her 6 months and she picked the bunny when we gave her the option of a bear or bunny. It was so cute. Of course she sleeps without anything in her crib. This is just for the video. I went with a plain mattress sheet from Burt's Bees since I didn't want to take away from the wall decals above her crib. Her crown is from Hobby Lobby and I spray painted it pink to hide the hot pink spots that it had. She was born in the spring, so when I saw these Peony wall decals from Rocky Mountain Decals, I knew they were perfect for my daughter. They were so sweet to give these to my baby for her nursery. This is actually 2 sets and I combined it to make an arch. They look like they're painted on the wall, but they are really easy to put on. All my husband did was peel it off on the paper like a sticker. Then he used a card they gave to take the air bubbles out. It looks like a credit card. I just love the way that this turned out. Rocky Mountain Decals has many beautiful options to choose from. I highly recommend their products. I will leave their website link in the description box so you can check them out. These are my favorite dresses she has because they were the first ones she ever put on when she was born. They were her first Sunday dresses for church and of course she's outgrown them, but I just love them here to look back on when she was a newborn. I placed them on these beautiful pearl baby hooks I got from Amazon. When I was pregnant, I made these crystal shoes. They were something I really wanted to make for her and have as a keepsake when she gets older. They took a lot of time and I showed you in her baby haul a pair of white shoes. I said I was going to do something with them and here it is. I love the way they turned out for her because I made them with all my love. This adorable lamb was one of her gifts from the baby shower that our church surprised us with, and I added one of her first bows I ever bought her. The crystal lamps that are on each nightstand are from Home Goods, and I chose to go with these because they're really heavy and durable for years to come. This beautiful piece is really special to me because my sweet friend Julie from Julie's Simply Love here on YouTube gifted this to our baby girl. She has a beautiful home decor channel you guys have to check out and will be inspired. She's so sweet. She was always asking me how I was doing during my pregnancy and after giving birth. She wanted to give this for our baby and we absolutely love it. It's a princess musical carriage that you can insert a picture in and her initials are engraved along with a beautiful verse from the Bible. The verse says, "I'm fearfully and wonderfully made." Such a precious gift. I'm very grateful. The nightstands are from Ashley Furniture and we bought these years ago when we first bought our bedroom furniture. We loved these and wanted to save them for our future baby and now here they are. The swan bank is from Home Goods and they had a pink one, but the white just seemed perfect for the nursery since there's a lot of pink here already. This picture frame is from Burlington and that's me on my birthday last year when I was pregnant. My baby was actually born 1 week after my birthday, so it'll always be even more special to celebrate with my greatest gift ever. This is her first Bible we got her, and to lay the pages down that we have read to her already, I added the heart-shaped crystal paperweight from HomeGoods. The unicorn rockers from HomeGoods, they had a light brown bunny that was just as beautiful, and I didn't know which one to pick, so I asked my husband and he said we should go for the unicorn. I'm really glad we went with this one because it's so pretty in her nursery. The pink poofs are from HomeGoods. They have a silver thread in them, but the camera isn't picking it up. When she gets older, I want to add a little table in the middle for her to sit in. The curtains and the curtain rod are from HomeGoods. They are such a beautiful girly set. They have a white tulle fabric on top of the blackout curtain. Her curtain rod is very glam as well because they have a crystal on each side. I wanted to share with you guys a very important product that has helped my baby to sleep better at night. I would never recommend a product that I didn't absolutely love for me and my family. If you're an expecting mother, have a newborn or toddler, the DockATot is such an amazing product to have. In my opinion, this is the #1 product you must have in your registry or on hand. They have a bunch of different gorgeous patterns to choose from, and this is my favorite. It's called the La Vienne Rose. When my baby was born, we placed her in her halo bassinet, but she refused to sleep in it. I promise you she never even slept one night in her halo. She wasn't comfortable, she just felt like she was out in the open, so we ended up returning it. She would only sleep in her DockATot. She felt snugged and safe. I don't know how I would have managed to get by if I didn't have this for her. I never thought we would co-sleep, but we actually did for 6 months in her deluxe. DockATot gifted us the Stage 2 dock, which is the grand size from 9 to 36 months. It's a little pricey, but if you want more sleep at night, it's worth every penny. I'll have a $10 off coupon code so you can save some money this way, and I'll leave it in the description box along with their website, so make sure you check them out. This is one of her toy baskets from HomeGoods. All her toys are in the family room though, so meanwhile I'll have her throws in here and pillows. The heart-shaped ones are from Target that I got when I was pregnant last year, and the square-shaped one from HomeGoods. This display wall piece is from Ross, and it's a cream gold color that I have some of her special things in. I added my wedding crown next to her newborn crown and a little book that I first got her when she was born. On the next shelf I have her half-year crown that we did her photo shoot at the beach with. These were her first shoes I got her from HomeGoods, and another newborn crown. The last shelf is a train gifted from my parents to her when they went to France. I took the train part off so it could fit in the shelf. This crystal chandelier is one of the first things that we wanted to get for the nursery, and it's from Amazon along with the medallion. This used to be our buffet in the apartment, but when we bought the nightstands, we wanted it to be her dresser to match the nightstand since they had discontinued the dresser from Ashley Furniture. The colorful crystal bookend and lamp are from HomeGoods. I have the other bookend in the cabinet below. I just wanted to use it later on when she grows up because I found beautiful, adorable bookends I wanted to use instead. The lamp bookends are from a company called Mud Pie. They have a good weight to them, but not enough to hold a lot of books, and they're so soft. I have other books in the family room that we read to her as well. Her favorite one is The Very Hungry Caterpillar, so that one is obviously over there. I added the pink bows to give them more of a girly nursery look. The crystal jars from HomeGoods that I used to store some of her bows. Child of God sign is a gift from one of our sweet family friends. I wanted to add Bible scripture in the nursery to always encourage and uplift my daughter. I got these from Etsy and the frames from Target. My goal is to always teach her about Jesus and his perfect everlasting love. I have a lot of clothes in our room because it's just more convenient to dress her, so here I just have a couple of onesies, shirts, and pants. Her changing station is in our room. For us, it's just more convenient this way. And then in this drawer, I have her socks, extra bows, and leggings. Her hamper's on the right. It was a gift from our baby shower from one of our family members, and it's from Target. In this drawer, I have extra bibs, hats, and sunglasses, also from her baby shower. I recently got this set of bibs from Burlington for the holidays and love how it says best gift ever because that's so true with our baby. In the bottom drawers, I have these mini baskets from the Dollar Tree and they fit perfectly in here for organization. I already made her a couple of scrapbooks. I just love taking pictures of her and collecting memories. My mom made scrapbooks of each of us and I just love that she did that. Here I have some of her scrapbook supplies and this is her keepsake box. On this side, I have extra bows and photo albums. On this side, I have miscellaneous things around. In the nightstand drawer, I have some of her shoes. She has more, but they end up in the car or all over the house. You know how mom life is. These are her Rattle Slippers. They don't fit her anymore, but how cute are they? They were from TJ Maxx, and this is her first pair of Nike Air Max. It's hard to pass up things that you see that are just adorable and unique. I love this blush color. When I saw it in the store, I had to have it. I smiled and knew it'd be perfect for my baby. On the other side of the room, I have these safari animal pictures that were too cute to pass up, and they're from HomeGoods. I wanted to share with you guys one more thing that my baby girl and I have been loving, which is the Oribel Cocoon Highchair. It's the most beautiful highchair I have seen and it's so convenient in many ways. 3 seating positions to grow with your baby. You can use this highchair when your baby is a newborn up until 3 years of age. They come in different colors that are just as beautiful. Oribel was so kind to give this to our baby and she has loved it since day one. I highly recommend this product because it's very safe, durable, and has a unique modern design. I will leave their website link in the description box so you can check them out. You will pay about the same price for any other high chair, but this one is just so much more worth it. She's very comfortable in it with this extra padding that you can insert, and it'll also fit any standard size high chair if you just wanted the insert. This chair is very modern and can fold to save space. The tray is magnetic and you can also place it on the back of the chair while you use the cup holder. The tray is removable and it's dishwasher safe, so you can snap it off for easy clean after the baby eats and everything can be easily wiped down. This concludes the nursery tour video. I hope you guys found some of these products appealing for your nursery, if you're expecting, or for your baby's room. Thank you so much for watching and all your continued love and support. Thank you for waiting patiently for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Take care.